Hi everyone, welcome to Another Thing You Know. Yoga today is a household name. It is a widely popular way of exercising focused on achieving physical fitness and mental well-being. But not many people would know that the practices for yoga were discovered around 5,000 years ago in northern India. The word yoga was first mentioned in old Indian sacred texts called the Vedas, and it was defined as the practice of bringing mind and body together while restraining the mind on focusing on external objects. While yoga started as an effort to reach pure consciousness, its practices were later evolved to include physical elements from gymnastics and wrestling. While there are many different varieties of yoga you can practice today, the core principles of effective breathing, physical postures, and spiritual guidance still remain the same. There is a reason you see so many yoga studios pop up around you. Practicing yoga comes with many physical and mental health benefits. While not all benefits have been backed by science yet, let's look at a few that we know of. It helps improve flexibility and strength. Yoga postures are designed to stretch muscles and improve strength of joints and ligaments, primarily by increasing the water content in muscles, which leads to higher elasticity. Yoga is known to relieve anxiety and decrease stress. While this claim is yet to be 100% proven by scientists, a number of studies across various sample sizes have revealed that practicing yoga with meditation helps finding a sense of peace. Yoga's muscle flexing postures and deep breathing has been proven therapeutic to various lung diseases like bronchitis and asthma. It is also known to help with joint-related problems like arthritis and osteoporosis. While yoga is definitely not a cure for these conditions, it helps improve overall fitness levels, which is a must if you're suffering from any such disease. The breathing techniques in yoga leads to oxygen diffusion and helps increase the amount of oxygen in the blood. This helps the heart to pump more blood, thereby assisting those with weak hearts. For people with healthy hearts, this practice can lower blood pressure and improve other cardiovascular symptoms. Yoga is a good exercise and helps burn calories and improve muscle strength. This is the reason it is known to have a positive effect on metabolism and general stomach health. While this is true for almost any form of exercise, yoga in particular is helpful based on the balance required for its various body postures. There are other claimed benefits of yoga, such as its positive psychological effects and working as an antidepressant, but these are yet to be proved at a larger scale. Yoga studies almost always tend to be in smaller sample size, and hence some of its effects are yet to be proven at a large scale. Yoga also consists of various types of postures, each affecting different muscle groups and joints. But there are no studies that point out a specific posture or asana that is best to practice. Hence, all effects are based on the collective practices of yoga postures. Now, as I said earlier, yoga is not a cure, but it definitely is one of the most popular forms of light exercise that you can follow. So do like this video if you learned something new today and subscribe to the channel for more things to know. Thanks for watching.